Section 16. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a consonant. The sound is F. F for flower. I want you to find the letter F on page 16 in your book. Page 16 looks like this. We are going to work with the sound F. Say the sound and words after me. F. F. F for fish. F for fish. F for fire. F for fire. Let's read it from the beginning. F for fish. F for fire. We are going to practice writing the sound F. Put your finger on the first F. I am going to show you how to write the sound F. We start at the top and we go round and straight down to the bottom and cross it in the middle. I'm going to show you again. We start at the top, we make a little hook, round hook, straight down and cross it on the line. I want you to practice tracing it with your finger. Please take a crayon and trace the first F. Now that you have traced the first letter F, let's go to the second letter. Put your finger on the second F. I'm going to show you how to write the sound. We start at the top, make a hook all the way down and cross it on the line, a small line across. I want you to trace the letter with your finger starting at the top and crossing it on the line. Now take a crayon and trace the second F. Now that you have traced the second F, we are going to the last F. Put your finger on the last letter F. I'm going to show you again how to write the F. Starting at the top, making a hook all the way down and crossing it on the line. I want you to trace the letter with your finger. Now take a crayon and trace the last F. Let's read it again. F for fish. F for fire. Now that you have practiced writing the sound F, see if you can write the letter on your own. Remember, starting at the top, make a hook straight down and cross it on the line. If you have finished writing the f on your own, you can color in the flower. F for flower. I pick a pretty flower for my mom. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to classroom 1, section 17.